Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, May 29th of 2019. And I do have a guest announcer today, so I'll let her introduce herself.
Jimena Madrano Centeno.
Hi, Jimena. How are you doing today?
Good.
Good. You're the first one to want to do the cam on here, so we actually have your picture while we do the announcements today. So you're a brave one, so thank you for doing that. So today's for our announcements. Of course, today is field day. Hopefully. So when I'm making the announcements like right now, it's the day before. So we're going to have to wait and see what is going to happen with field day for tomorrow. But hopefully we're into today and we're going to be having field day outside just like we normally planned. Teachers, if we had to reschedule anything, remember I sent something out via email yesterday about that. So please make sure you refer to that. Jimena, did you have something to say about library books?
Yep.
What was that? What should they do with library books?
Make sure to return your library books.
There you go. That's important. So make sure you get those library books returned. How about for May birthdays, Jimena?
No May birthdays today.
All right. You want to announce the lunch choices?
Yes.
All right. Go ahead and announce the lunch choices.
For lunch choices are Bosco Sticks is number 1. Chicken patty sandwich is number 2. And Italian sub is number 3.
Thank you very much, Jimena. And then today we have our pause. And remember, we're doing the best of series. And since Jimena was doing pause today, we found one with her in it. So we thought we would do that one for pause for today.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our pause, and we have 3 students here from Mrs. Lake's class that will go through them.
Always be respectful to your teachers. Always have positive attitude.
Those are very good, girls. Thank you very much.
Jimena got a little embarrassed there. She bumped the key there to actually pause it. So sorry about that. So Jimena, you're like doubly famous today. Not only were you here in this picture, but you're already up here in this picture. So how about that? So double famous. All right, at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. Please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, I have to put a plug down here.
That would be perfect, Jimena. Thank you.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure you're standing. Have your hand over your heart. I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, Jimena, for holding the flag. And Jimena, is there any last words that you want to say for today?
2 more days of school.
No, really 3. So, because you'd have Wednesday and Thursday, and then you have Friday. So really 3. But I guess 2 if you want to just count Thursday, Friday. So.
Because tomorrow is here.
Yeah. All right. Everyone have a great day. Hopefully you have field day. Yay! Hopefully everyone's ready for it. If not, we'll be doing it some other time this week.
Also, reminder for 2nd grade and Mrs. Lake's class, be good.
There you go.
Or else you'll get tickets.
Yep. Make some good choices.
For prizes.